welcome back to another episode of Chef Super.
Dude, get out! No,
what?
No, stop playing with my equipment.
What?
Dude,
I'm not playing with any.
leave.
Fine.
Not. Welcome back to Chef SUPERCHIDO. We're having a little bit of technical difficulty. Welcome back to Chef SUPERCHIDO. Your Theo. Welcome back to Chef Super. I can't even say it. My kid right now is just messing around with all my stuff. My cat's going. Oh. Welcome back to Chef Super. Welcome back to Chef Super. God. Welcome back to Chef Super Theo. My kid has me just off the wall right now. He's over here trying to do my show and he's been messing with me all day. My cat's going haywire. Let's try this again. Welcome back. As that title says, where's the title? There it goes. As that title says, we're making empanadas. So let's just get to it. I just want to get this over with. Watch and learn, and don't get burned.
Same as every video, let's start by chopping up our onions. Cut up these peppers, the same thing, leave them like the onions. Now let's put a little bit of olive oil in the pan, throw in our onions. Mix this all around and throw in our tablespoon of garlic. And after a few minutes, we're going to throw in our peppers, red bell peppers. Now we're going to put some Johnny's garlic spread. You can put a lot of it. It really ain't that salty, so the more the better. You don't want to overdo it though. Now that our meat's in there, smash the hell out of it. Now this is going to be our first pass of Worcestershire sauce. I can never say it correctly. And after about a few minutes, we're going to do our second pass now that a lot of the liquid is gone. After we mix that around, we want to add our Mateo's Gourmet Salsa, 16 ounces. Mix that all around, and we're going to keep doing this until all the liquid is gone. Now we're going to use our empanada dough tapas, baking and frying from Goya. Put in our meat. And if you like, add a little cheese. We always add cheese, so to each its own. Now this is optional. I like dipping mine in chipotle and sour cream. We're going to put 2 cups of oil. Now we're going to put in our empanadas. We're going to leave them on here until they get a little golden brown. We have it at a medium-high heat, so just keep checking on them. And that's the look that we're looking for. Oh boy. Now we made a good amount of these, so time to take them out and fudge these things up.
So my dad's gone right now, so look at all these empanadas. We're gonna try one of these.
Dude.
What?
Oh my God, please. Please. No, go. No.
I'm taking this with me.
Welcome back. Oh man, this guy. He's been wanting to be in my videos for a while, so he's just using my remote to hit record and a little savvy, but can get him on nerves sometimes. Well, here they are. I'm pretty sure you've seen that whole bundle we made, so let's try it. Crunchy. I got a cousin named Crunchy. Just old Air Force Ones and dry hair. Just look crunchy. It's a good name for a dog though. Hey, Crunchy! Ruh! Or next girlfriend. She was crunchy. But these things are crunchy and they're delicious. Well, you watched, you learned, you didn't get burned, but my son burned himself because he's grounded. So, thank you for joining in. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and again, leave me some comments, what you guys want me to make. So, don't get burned.